Guys, back again on it, guys. Back again. This is audio pipe, and this is the APDLO 3001D. 3001D, guys, as you can see right here. Yeah, this is the big one of the long one. This is two of the 1500. The 1500. That's now like this, as you could see the board, same like in the 15 AP CL 1500. Yeah, the board is just same. So we have one here, and the other part just the same up this side, guys. So yeah, all right. So this one comes in, guys. As you can see, no, yeah, you guys can see right from here. Yeah, this thing is burned like this. You can see where it's smoke up here. Remove this one here. This must remove this transistor clamp. But you could see there, and this guys, yeah, the expression on it. So you could see definitely things burnt or crisps. Jeez. Alright, so let's see what's going on here, guys. Let you guys see what's going on here. Yes, this one burnt out really, really, really bad. Oh yeah, that's damn smoke up. All the power supply, guys, as you can see here. Yeah, as you can see right there, guys. Power supply burnt up, guys. This side, also this side power supply. I don't know. Let me check the output from on this side and see what's going on. Come on, my fluke. Oh wow, output is reading short still. Output is shorting out like a fuse, guys. Let me see what's going on here and what kind of output it uses. I don't remember quite what kind of output this uses. Right, so this uses the IRFP 250N. IRFP 250N. And it uses 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 2 here, 16. So in all it uses 16, guys. So yeah. On this side, yeah, this thing burned. Why the hell? This thing smoke up like that. Man. Let's show you guys what's going on here. This person was, I'm telling you, he was, well, I don't know. But this long time only like tar up, I see burn like this, guys. It's like smoke up like these guys, you know. Overpour them somehow. And somebody was messing around with this already. Because I see here they took out 2 of the diodes, the recovery diodes. Here, guys, you could see all these are burnt out. So power supply and output, and these 2 boards have to be replaced, guys. Yikes! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Let's go ahead and remove these clamp. Yeah, for here, yeah. They already removed 2, so I guess they did have a problem. Let's see, power supply most that this uses, guys, is the really IRF 1404. Nice. I just repaired one of the 3,500 in audio pipe, the brand, and I was thinking which one on the most to use, and I put the 35 in it. It worked perfect with it anyway, guys. Oh yeah, it's playing like crazy, so, you know. But the one they did have some fake in that amplifier they have some fake 1404. But I should have known that's why they put some. But it worked with the 25 guys really good, so I didn't have a problem with that. So yep. Alright guys, I hope you know always take out only once. Okay, they have the Tiffany style. Yes guys, as you always know with these amplifier they. Okay, well guys, sorry if I leave you out of the view earlier guys. I'm really sorry guys. So alright, this is the for the other side. The chassis ground. Take those out for the chassis ground. So here now. So I get pliers and take these clamps right here guys. Let's see what's going on here. Give you guys a shot of everything. Sometimes I don't really look at the phone guys. I just keep yes guys. I don't know when to do so do that guys. Then I shake these and the ones off. Like that. Then I go ahead try to take the circuit board out somehow. So you move these MOSFET guys. Take this MOSFET out there. Oh, then smoke. You tell me diode here, this or that too, or what? You have some of that stuff that burn that doesn't look like recovery diodes. I think those are some tip something if I'm not wrong. That one too, that one too, that one too. Yikes. So two wow. Yes guys, there's a lot of stuff going on in this amplifier. Just to tell you right off the bat, yeah. This side power supply doesn't burn bad as that side up there, so let's see what's going on here. It's very windy outside. I have to keep looking, so like someone coming, but it's the wind blowing some leaves around. Alright guys. Alright, come on, I don't well these are bad anyway. I don't know what I'm worried about. Oh, I think these are some driver transistors which are tip. I'm not wrong. The part number is tip. Maybe 32 or something. So I hope I have a bunch of them. Alright, so what is that screw? Oh, really? That's screwed down there, so alright, guys. It's coming out. Oh, yeah. Alright, board out of the chassis. Yes, guys, you can see this side here. Look up. And then this side over here, guys, you can see. Oh, yeah. You can see it burn mark there. This amplifier guys was shipped to me from what that name of that state? It's a funny name, guys. Some of these states, yeah, it's like I don't really hear about them very much. I don't remember the name of the state that this one shipped from. To tell you the truth, guys, I don't remember that name of that state. Alright guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna work from the bottom to the top. Alright, no, I'm gonna work on this first. And this doesn't look like it sustained a lot of damage on this side here. But yeah, they removed from here, you could see they removed they removed two of the MOSFET driver. Alright, so these MOSFET drivers said MR3040. Those are the MUR3040. Should go back there, and it's the same one with the pin, where I would say kissing, the diode kissing. The diode, facing. So I'm gonna wash the circuit board here, guys, and this here. And right here now is where I'm gonna focus on and see what's going on here, because this here says okay. So Where's the power supply come to here? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, these are the power supply MOSFET, guys. Yeah, was saying driver. I don't know why that make it confuse me. Power supply. Oh man, Jesus, Father, look at this thing. Let me show you guys. Give you guys a close-up view of this damage that's happening. What happened here? This part here, guys. Look at that. Look at those MOSFET. What could this amplifier do to deserve that kind of treatment? Alright guys, so this solder here now guys is a 60 watt. So what I'm gonna do, unplug it, and I'm going to use a 80 watt solder iron, guys. Yeah, this is the brand here, guys. It's really good. They're based in Florida here. I used to use this brand in Jamaica too. Yeah, it's TMC, not TMZ, guys. TMC. Alright, so now I'm gonna start here. Remove all of these power supply MOSFET here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 over here, so it's 10 in all. And this driver should be from driver resistor here, guys. Let me see if I could make out. It says 100. 100 would mean 10 ohms. Yes, I think so. Yeah, 100 is 10 ohms, guys. Yeah, 100 is 10 ohms. Let me make sure I check off my top of my head because I'm really tired too and stuff like that, guys. I haven't sleep. Yeah, 10 ohms, guys. When you see 100 on these resistors at 10 ohms, if you see 1000, that means it's 100 ohms, and if you see 1002 or 1001, that means 1k ohms, guys. So yeah. So I'm going to remove all these here, all these output. Oh yeah, man. Man, I hate when output go by, guys. Sometimes. I think I have some original ones. Let me see here. Let me check again. Alright guys, so yeah, I have to, let me show you the ones that are really interesting, guys. These are some nice, these are original. Yeah, these are the type I have here. You guys can see, yeah, these are some original ones. I think I buy these recently, yeah. Yeah, I bought them recently, guys. So yeah, I'm going to just remove, no, I'm not even gonna bother unplug. Yeah, let me unplug this so it doesn't go under any stress. This is a signal wire, guys. That's an input signal to the circuit board. Yeah, from up here. It's an input signal. It sends speaker signal this side. It sends power. So you have the power supply here, guys. Output section here, the filters and inductor coil. So guys, all right. So now we turn the side hand, guys, to get really heated, and then I'm going to. Even though this, guys, I didn't even show you the back view of the circuit board, guys. Nice. Only have a couple, but this one here and here burn traces on it. The light on it. If I don't think you guys will see the burn traces. If I, yeah, you guys, let me see if I can focus in a way that, yeah, you could see the burn traces, guys, and for the middle pin, middle terminal there. And here come like, oh, seems like something was, huh. Maybe this amplifier have a lot of surprises, guys. I can tell you that. Sometimes I see some little just spot that I don't really like to see sometimes. So 5 on this side, 5 on that side. Let me check something on this side here. If any of these output MOSFET, holy smoke, all of these, oh man, right through. I guess I'm gonna have to just do Oh yeah, definitely. Power supply needs, they don't look burn, but yeah, they don't burn that bad, but yeah, they're burnt out. Whew. So 510 to 20 output. I mean 20 power supply MOSFET guys, and 4 and 16 output MOSFET. 20 power supply MOSFET, 16 output MOSFET guys, and you know, with another a lot of other stuff that I'm gonna have to replace in this, I guess. Yeah. Yes, guys, you know, this is how it goes, guys. That's the whole. So, what I'm gonna start with this circuit here first, guys. Yeah, this thing that you can start warming it, really. I like using it, guys, but it's really good. So, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do everything all at once. Yeah, and then I take the measurement of these that I took out to put them back inside. Wow, man. Wow. It's gonna take me some time, some real long time with this one, guys. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. That's weird. It's cold outside too, guys, and the wind is blowing really hard. That could be in the history of this thing. Even though I just plug it in, so I'm just waiting, guys. So I'll get back with you guys on part 2 of this, guys, because I'm definitely gonna make this in part 1 and 2, because this is gonna take me some time, guys. So you know, whenever I'm installing the MOSFET, I'll let you guys know, see what's going on, and you know, we can go from there. All right, guys. So see you guys in a bit on part 2 of this video, guys.